Rico gang, welcome back to more NFT education, where we break down projects, we learn more, and we say, hey, maybe we even want to invest in these projects, all right? And so this project I ran across, my brother was actually telling me about this. This is the Kong Ape Boss Club, all right? Now, this is one of those type of NFTs that you've seen Lil Baby buy, that you've seen Steph Curry, not the same exact project because that was Lazy Ape, but as far as the type of project, this is a utility like slash collectors type project, and it's because of all the crazy perks and like just access to a community that you get with holding one of these. But we're gonna get into all of that. So you basically see a lot of the times you see the whole ape, or bear or whatever type of animal concept with NFTs, and there's a reason for that. All right, so let's talk about the story first. They kind of give us a breakdown and they say the year 3800. Wow, that's a long time. The ancient planet Waddup, known more commonly as Earth, has been ravaged for thousands of years by the very beings it has birthed. However, nature will not stand by, idly accepting its annihilation. Helped along by mankind's own self-destructive tendencies, Waddup has finally begun to fight back after a millennium of natural disasters, devastating civil wars, suffering planet's oppressors. The suffering planet's oppressors have all but been wiped out, allowing nature to regain its rightful place as the ruler of Waddup. However, one hominid subdivision of man remains, a species known as the Kongs. The 400 Kongs of the planet have collected into 4 highly territorial tribes spread across Waddup, each claiming domination over a different continent and climate. Despite the apparent surface level peace, however, tensions between Kong factions are at an all-time high. So I always appreciate the story if it's, if it's cool. I've seen some projects that don't have a story. They're just like, yep, we don't have a story. Here's our NFT, you should buy it. And when you take the time to make a story like that, bro, that means you have an organized, good team, right? But so the 4 tribes are divided into the following dominations, okay? Jungle, Egypt, Cyborg, and Arctic, okay? Each of the chiefs of the 4 tribes has in its possession an ancient and mysterious artifact stone passed down through generations whose purpose is impossible to determine, all right? So you can kind of see that they're kind of doing different stuff with the different kinds, right? The Stellars, of course, have their own agenda. For now, they hang in space, observing the madness of the Waldian war from above. But the Stellar Kongs, yeah, you talking about humans having civil wars. What about them? No, I'm playing. But the Stellar Kongs' true goals are lofty. The most powerful artifact is theirs, but they require the other 4 to fulfill their ultimate objective, the summoning of the godlike being Alpha Kong, okay, the supreme power of the universe. With his help, the Stellars will become enabled to take Waddup from their lesser kind and live as its true rulers. With every passing day, the Stellar Kongs grow more involved with the Waldian war, and soon they will move to take the other artifacts directly. The terrestrial Kong tribes cannot hope to defeat them individually, only setting aside their differences and uniting the power of the 4 artifacts and their own people can they hope to repel the Stellars and maintain control of their blessed world. Okay, so we talked about the kingdoms, the Ice Kingdom, Cyborg, Egypt, Jungle, Stellar. All right, now let's talk about the roadmap. All right, so the roadmap, that's pretty cool. The adventure starts here. If you are here at this stage of development, let's drink together. You've just discovered an ape. You've just discovered an ape world like you've never experienced before. Take your seat on the throne of the Kong, and invite your most loyal allies, because together we will all dominate. All right, so at 20% sold, we have invested more than $500,000 just for the launch of sales, but an additional $300,000 will be deposited and made available to accelerate the development of the club and the community. Your ideas will be ours. The Kongs know how important it is to join forces in order to dominate the ape world, right? So let me tell you, you know how the red flags were popular? These are green flags. Y'all spent $500,000, bro. This project is gonna be big, I already know. Now 40%, you are now part of the Boss Club, a business and investment club. See, there we go. An investment club where you will find events, meetings hosted by famous entrepreneurs, celebrities, and more. Remember when I said these the kinds that Lil Baby and Steph buy into? Exactly. So yeah, that's basically that. Now 60% strength in numbers. Kong's generosity is essential when it comes to helping others, so this is the perfect time to donate. $60K to a reputable charity. We will design the chosen organization through a vote on our Discord app. And then payday, 80%. No, it's not an enigma, not yet, because if you were a limited edition Amex Kong 4 out of basically 10,000 holder, it's payday for 30 consecutive days. Received $1,000 a day for 30 days, bro. $30,000. That's insane, bro. That's crazy. At full speed is just the beginning. First of all, congratulations, you joined the chat. The Kongs now officially dominate the ape world, and the doors of our kingdom are now closed. You are now part of the inner circle of Kongs. It is now time to conquer the metaverse. Red, orange, green light. Press the pedal because you are in possession of the Kong G500 Ultra Rare Edition. One of 10,000, sorry. Then you have just won the Wrapped Kong Ape card, a unique G-Fit worth $2. Golly, this project, I bet it's huge. An additional 300,000 is deposited in a special fund dedicated to the KABC project, the Kong Ape Boss Club, all right? So, man, we got to go look at their Twitter, bro. Okay, 3,900, not bad. A lot of hype, a lot of engagement, okay? Yeah, I think I'm gonna update us on this one because this one is definitely legit. Like, I definitely see everything. Like, this Discord server is huge, bro. 30K on Discord, and you gotta verify to get in here. So yeah, bro, this is insane. They still got room on the whitelist, okay? So whitelist basically almost guarantees you one of these, kind of signs you up for somewhat of like a pre-order, okay? So you definitely want to get whitelisted on this. Pre-sale is going to be 0.015 Ethereum. Let me show you how much that is to US dollars. It's about $600. And then the mint price is going to be 0.03. So that's almost double, which is 1,200. But pretty much even those prices let you know that this project already sort of has some hype. And so if you have the bread, bro, this is something you probably want to jump into before it just takes off too far, right? So, man, let me know what y'all think in the comments, bro. Shout out to the Wolf of NFT Street for telling me about this project, bro. If you have a project, make sure you get in touch with him for just marketing and consultation and stuff like that, right? So I'm gonna have a link to his Instagram in the description, man. I think this project is gonna be dope. Man, love y'all. Let's get it.